Atmospheric and environmental chaos. The moment the moon crashes into Earth, the sheer force unleashed would be beyond anything humanity has ever witnessed. This isn't just a big explosion, it's a cataclysmic event releasing energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs detonating at once. The impact would instantly vaporize everything near the collision site, turning solid ground into molten rock and sending shockwaves racing around the globe. Debris from the collision would be hurled into the atmosphere and beyond, creating a fiery rain of molten fragments that would ignite wildfires worldwide. The sky would fill with thick clouds of dust and ash, blocking out sunlight and plunging the planet into darkness. This sudden blackout, known as an impact winter, could last for months or even years, causing temperatures to drop drastically and disrupting the delicate balance of life. Plants would struggle to survive without sunlight, and the collapse of ecosystems would ripple through the food chain, threatening countless species with extinction. The moon's collision wouldn't just reshape the surface of Earth, it would rewrite the story of life itself, forcing every living thing to face an uncertain and hostile world. This event would mark one of the most dramatic turning points in Earth's history, a reminder of how fragile our planet's stability truly is.